Welcome to the channel. We are discussing Factorial program. In the previous tutorial, we used recursion as well as loops to solve this problem. Today, let's see time and space complexity of Factorial program. First, we'll talk about recursive program. Here we have our function Factorial. Let's calculate time complexity first. Function header, so it takes constant time. Here comparison operator, so it takes constant time. Returning the value, so constant time. Here we are returning the value that will take constant time. Multiplication operation, it will also take constant time. Next, here you can see the function call. This function calls itself to solve the problem. Here we need to calculate how many times this function call itself until it reaches the base case. Let's take n value as 5. So here this factorial of n function is called multiple times. So every time a function is called, a stack frame is added to call stack. If n value is 5, it is called 5 times. 5 into, and each call takes a constant time. Here 5 is n value, n multiply big O of 1, so big O of n. If we add this together, it is big O of n. This is worst case. What is the best case scenario? When n value is 0 or 1, it will execute only once. It will return the value, so it won't execute this part. So it will take like this. So this is the best case scenario. Okay, next let's talk about space complexity. N is a variable. It is input, takes constant space. Then here we can see factorial of n minus 1. Here we are using recursion. Every time a function is called, a stack frame is added to call stack. This function is called n times, right? So n stack frame is added to call stack. Every stack frame takes constant space. It will take big O of n space. So here space complexity is big O of n because of the recursion. Okay, next let's talk about iterative approach. First, let's talk about time complexity. Function header, constant time. Then here assignment operation, constant time. Here we can see for loop. Let's consider this as one block. How many times this executes? It executes n times here, right? If n value is 5, it will execute 5 times. So that is big O of n. And returning the result, a constant time. If we add this, time complexity is big O of n because of the loop. How many times loop executes? Here it executes n times. That's why big O of n. Next, let's talk about space complexity. N, constant space, a variable. Result is a variable. I is a loop variable which will take constant space. And we are not using any data structure here or recursion. So it won't take any extra space. And here range is a generator like object. It will take constant space. So space complexity using iterative approach is constant space. Okay, so this is about time and space complexity of Factorial program. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in next class. Till then, take care.